This video series will show you how we can take advantage of Blocksize Capital's infrastructure in order to automate trading on all major cryptocurrency exchanges using our quantitative software development kit. But before we dive into this, I first want to talk about the current state of trading in the cryptocurrency markets, as well as why our solution is the best available to tackle these issues. So right now there's hundreds of different cryptocurrency exchanges, and each has its own unique nuances and individual requirements for trading. And in order to tackle this fragmentation, what we have done is built a unified API which enables efficient order placement and execution, and as well as this, a unique insight into the state of crypto markets across more than 30 of the most established exchanges. Now, Blocksize Core is the low latency trading backend that provides the infrastructure for trading and the administration of digital assets. But what we're seeing right now on the screen is Blocksize Matrix, which is the corresponding front end. So Blocksize Matrix is an easy access and secure web-based user interface which encapsulates the different services provided by Blocksize Core. And rather than going through the tedious process of checking each exchange, looking at the order book data, what we do here is we can get a market overview through one interface using Blocksize Matrix. And we can do this for multiple different pairs on our connected exchanges. As well as this, Blocksize Matrix allows you to track your portfolio, and this is something which is really valuable as a trader, as it completely circumnavigates the hassle of logging into each individual exchange, and as well as this, it provides clear infographics to see the distribution of funds as well as your aggregated positions. And this leads us into the next process of actually placing trades through our Blocksize Matrix trading terminal. Now, one of the coolest features of Blocksize Matrix is our Smart Order Router. The Smart Order Router is an algorithm which scans your available funds and the exchange order books and distributes the trade in such a way that it minimizes price impact. For example, let's say you wanted to buy 350 Bitcoin, but placing this trade on a single exchange would be a bad idea since the order book depth would result in a poor average execution price. Whereas using the Smart Order Router, we can minimize the market impact of such a large buy order. And here we can see the distribution of funds across multiple different exchanges. Not only does it take the price of different exchanges into consideration, but the Smart Order Router also considers the trading fees on the connected exchanges. So for example, if one exchange had 10 basis points trading fees and a different exchange had a 20 basis point trading fee, if both exchanges have the same price, the Smart Order Router would target the trade to the exchange with the lower trading fees. And so we're left with the task of actually connecting our exchanges to Blocksize Matrix. How do we do this? Well, if we go to the settings menu here, we can see that we can add an API key. And from the drop-down menu, we see a list of different exchanges which we can connect to Blocksize Matrix. Simply go into one of these websites. When you log into your exchange account, under the settings menu in API management, it's possible to create an API key. And here you just have to input your API key and the generated secret key, and then you have your exchange connected to Blocksize Matrix. As well as this, we can see the fee dashboard, and you can manually change these fees based on what agreement you might have with an exchange. And so to summarize this introductory video, Blocksize Core is the low latency backend that provides the infrastructure for trading and managing digital assets, and Blocksize Matrix is the front end which allows users to interact with Core. In the following video, I will introduce you to the Quant SDK, which is basically an open source Python wrapper which integrates the features of Core. And so rather than interacting with the front end, what the Quant SDK allows users to do is to automate trading strategies as well as access real-time market data as well as historic market data.